Outdoor Dummies, and today I would like to go over my camp kitchen setup. Let's get started. To store all of our camp kitchen gear, we are using the Plano Sportsman's trunk. This trunk has 4 durable latches, molded grooves, wheels, and it's lockable. Also, they're easily stackable, making them super easy to fit in the back of my Jeep. Now, before we dive into what's in this box holding all my cooking gear, let's talk about this table that all my gear is laying on. The table that we like to bring out camping with us is the Coleman Compact table. What I really like about that table is, just like the name implies, it's really small in size, it's lightweight, it's easy to set up, and it's a great addition to have, especially for areas when you go camping and you don't have access to a regular picnic table. But if you do have access to a picnic table, I also find it to be a really nice prep space to use when I'm cooking. Now, let's go over what's in this box. First thing out of the box that we have here is this Coleman propane stove. This Coleman stove is equipped with 2 burners and wind guards. What I like most about this stove is it's lightweight, easy to set up, and is very compact, making it easy to store in our camp kitchen box. Another thing to note, when you're out camping with a propane stove and you're relying on this to be your cooking source, I'd recommend bringing an extra propane tank just in case your other one runs out. Other camp kitchen must-haves, of course, are to bring some sort of like skillet or non-stick pan, and if you can afford the weight, I also like to bring along this Dutch oven. Now, this Dutch oven is great. We got this from Ozark Trail. It was on sale at Walmart for like $20, and what I love most about these cast iron Dutch ovens is how versatile they are, because you can either cook them like on a propane stove like this, toss them in the campfire, or even just hang them over the campfire. And I mean, they're just great. They're big, so it's great for when you're cooking in larger quantities, if you're camping with larger groups of people. And I just love how much heat they are able to retain, which is especially nice on like a cold morning or colder night when you're out camping. Another must-have for me when I'm out camping is a hot cup of coffee in the morning, especially during an early fish, like when we're going to go pull up our catfish jugs at like 6 or 7 in the morning. So I like to bring along a kettle, and we have a Stanley French press. This thing is awesome. You really don't even need the kettle, but I think that it boils water a lot faster than just using the stainless steel cup inside of the French press to brew to boil the water. And then of course, other essential items to bring along would be like cooking utensils, like spatula, tongs. You know, you want to bring a cutting board, kitchen knives. We usually just use a fillet knife since we're usually out fishing anyways. We'll just bring a couple fillet knives, bowls, plates, and then also camp spoons. When we're out camping, we really like to try and minimize the amount of waste that we bring out into the woods. So that's why we prefer to use like plastic bowls or plastic plates and utensils. That way we're not, bringing in more trash and having more trash to also have to take out with us later on. Other good items to include into your camp kitchen would be a way to clean up everything. We have this 6-liter water tank that we bring with us. We use it for spare water, cleaning dishes, and it's awesome. Fits in my Jeep super easily. And we also use this bucket here. We just fill this up with soap, water, and it's great for cleaning the dishes. Another thing that I love about this bucket is that you can collapse it, so that way it makes it so much easier to store inside of your camp box. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to give you guys an idea on what you should pack in your camp kitchen setups. If you liked our content, please tune in next time here on Outdoor Dummies.